This owner loves making things out of cat fur, like sweaters, socks, boots, and even gloves. Now he wanted to make a cat fur hat, but then he realized he was running short on cat fur. So he tried to borrow some from his cats, but they were scared of going bald, and none of them agreed. So he bought a comb and pretended to groom his cats, but he was actually collecting their loose fur. Then he used it to make a cute hat for himself, and even added a little Santa as decoration. The cats loved it so much that they started licking it. So in the end, he made cute hats for them as well.
If this made you smile, put a butterfly in the comments.